So I'm just going to have a quick look at some of the important points mentioned on page 146. Sorting spreadsheet data, important points. Excel assumes that the first row of the data you are sorting contains headings and will not include this row in the sort. So if I go sort, you can see that it says my data has headers. It takes it that the top line is actually headings. And if you don't have a top line consisting of headings, you would need to take my data has headers out of that. Point number 2, don't include blank rows or columns in the range you're sorting. Excel won't include all of the data in the sort if this is the case. So if I have a skipped row and I try to sort, it doesn't see past the skipped row. Similarly, if I had a skipped column. Point number 3, when sorting by one column, don't highlight that column. I have said this already. Do not highlight a column. Simply select any cell within that column, and when you click sort, the computer figures out what you're going to do. Point number 4, each heading should occupy one cell only. Now, sometimes people, if they want this to say driver and then name underneath the word driver, they think that they should do it like this, write driver in one cell and name in another cell. The problem with that is that when you go to do a sort, it will assume that name is not a part of the heading, because it will only take it that the top line are headings. So when I go sort, if I try to sort by, for example, people's names, drivers' names, it just took it that the word name was actually a person's name, and it brought it down within the body of the data. So it's a really bad idea to have any kind of double row for headings. Headings should be written within the one cell. It is good practice to emphasize your column headings using formatting, e.g. bold, and this will ensure that the headings are not sorted with the rest of the data. It gives the computer a tip that those are in fact headings.